Welcome to Thursday, Chapter 6. Chapter 6 is kind of a longer chapter, which is why I only gave you one chapter to read today, all right? So you're going to read Chapter 6, and your assignment is here. I want to explain the assignment to you before you get started so that you know what to look for, all right? Some of you will have a slightly different version of this assignment, and it will be highlighted in red letters, how yours is different, at the top of the page. It allows you to make some choices, okay? As for everybody else, I have given you 3 characters. Asa Holmes, her friend Daisy, and Davis Pickett Jr., her love interest, okay? That is Asa's love interest, not Daisy's. When you read today, I want you to keep this in mind. But I also want you to know that you can use any information from chapters 1 through 6 to complete these organizers today. Any information you want from chapters 1 through 6. Okay? You do not have to only use chapter 6. There will be an Ed Puzzle question about that specifically. Okay? You can use any information from the first 6 chapters. So, here's what you're going to do. And the directions are the same for each one of the characters. So I'm only going to go through one. It says, gather quotes and other examples from chapters 1 through 6 to use as evidence that provides insight into Asa Holmes. Or for this one, it will be Daisy. Or for this one, it will be Davis. Then write a paragraph that describes Asa, or Daisy, or Davis. Which theme or themes do you see her being mostly connected with, and why? So it's asking you to both look at characterization, who is this person, why are they how they are, and it's asking you to connect that to theme. Which theme or themes do you think that this character most identifies with or most represents? So our themes, again, are the same as they've always been. They're outlined here. The first is identity, selfhood, and mental illness. 2, chaos versus order and control. 3, language and meaning. 4, privilege, power, and wealth. So what you're going to do is you can either use direct quotes or just specific examples, and that's your evidence. So you're going to, there are 6 boxes here. I would like you to try to fill all 6 boxes. If you can't, if you can only fill 3, I'll forgive you as long as they're really, really great examples, okay? So 3 to 6 examples specifically that tell us who Asa is, what kind of person she is. And remember, when we talk about characterization, we're talking about not just what the author tells us about the character, but what kinds of things does the character say? What does she think? What does she do? How do other people react to her? How does she act? How does she react to other people? Okay? So 3 to 6 examples, specific examples of things that tell us what kind of character she is, what kind of person she is. Then, down here, you're going to use this evidence to write a description and analysis of her character. So you're going to take this and you're going to use it kind of like an outline, and then you're just going to write in paragraph format, this is the kind of character Asa is. Here are my examples specifically. And I think that she best identifies with one or more of these themes. Okay? If you want to say that she identifies with identity, selfhood, and mental illness, then you're going to type, I think she best is associated with identity, selfhood, and mental illness, and here is why. Then you're going to write specific examples that describe why you think she is most associated with that particular theme. And then you're going to go and you're going to do the exact same thing for Daisy and the exact same thing for Davis. Unless you have been given directions at the top in red letters that tell you otherwise. That is what you're doing today. Okay? So read chapter 6, do the characterization / theme worksheets here. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great rest of your day.